A drug that's been called a game changer in the fight against HIV/AIDS could soon be funded by the National Health Service in England. The NHS had argued it was not responsible for paying for the drug. The once-a-day pill, which costs more than $500 a month, has been shown to reduce the risk of infection by more than 90%. The British High Court ruled there was nothing stopping the healthcare provider from paying. Well, let's get more on this story, and we can speak to Sara Firth, who is in London. Sara, what is it about this drug that has made this ruling so important?
Well, this is the pre-exposure prophylaxis drug that's known as PrEP, and this drug is a daily pill, as you said, that's aimed at reducing the risk of HIV infection, and it's supposed to be given to those high-risk groups. Now, campaigners have been really pushing for this to be widely available because of the hugely high success rates that it's had in trials, around 90% rate of stopping people contracting the HIV virus. Now, the court case came about because health bosses at NHS England had said it wasn't their responsibility to provide this drug, that it was actually up to the councils. Now, the High Court judge today in this ruling has said that they were wrong to make that assessment, and that actually they can legally provide the funding for this drug.
Is this drug going to be widely available, and who's going to benefit from this?
Well, this is what campaigners hope, and it's clearly a win for those HIV treatment campaigners who've called this a game-changing decision. But it doesn't necessarily mean that we are going to see the funding for this drug provided yet. Now, NHS England have actually come back with a statement on this ruling, and they've said that they've requested permission to appeal the judgment, and that has been granted. So NHS England are going to be appealing this ruling, and therefore it's expected will be a follow-up to this High Court decision. But the National AIDS Trust that brought this case before the High Court in the first place has really emphasised once again the huge success rate that it has. So the campaigners are going to be fiercely battling that corner still. Certainly the decision today, as we said, a major win for those campaigners who want to see what they say is a life-saving drug rolled out widely across the country.
OK, Sara Firth, live in London. Thank you.